to open the Chudidar software, click on the icon ST. It's Chudidar suit. Click on the icon, right click on the ST. This software, click on the open. After clicking this option, software home page will appear. After click on this option, software home page will appear. Click on the order booking. The order booking is the first option. This is the option to take the printout. Now the order booking page will be displayed. Now the order booking page will be displayed. Click on the customer name. Enter all the measurements of the customer name, address, telephone number, and click on the item. Save the customer details. Now click on the received cloth details. You can enter the cloth details, that what type of neck design is required, what type of back neck design, sleeve models, all the details have been entered. Then click on the save option. The details will be saved. In this option you can enter what are the customer requirements. You can enter and save the options. After this, close this option. Go to the order booking page. Method to take printout for casual top. Now enter all the measurements that is required for customer. Height, front point set total. For stitched top we need total 14 measurements. Enter all those measurements and click on casual top. Now you will get the back, front and sleeve diagrams. First is back, second is sleeve, third is front. After clicking the image you will get the printout in this format. Clicking this image you will get the printout in this format. This is the blouse Chudidar. This is the Chudidar printout. This back side. Now this front side. The neck margins will be also displayed in the printout. This is the front neck, front side. The square part is the neck part. In this part we can design the neck sides. Now the front and back portion have been cutted out. The drawing will be created according to the measurements that have been entered. In our cutting we had shortened the front side of the Chudidar top is smaller than the back side. In this type front and back will be joined. This type front and back will be joined. This is the casual Chudidar fitting after stitched with our cutting. Method to take printout for collar top. Enter all these basic Chudidar measurements. All these basic Chudidar measurements. After entering all these measurements you will get the back, sleeve and front diagrams. Click on the pictures. You will get the printout in this format. This is back side. All the stitching 1.5 inch side stitching points, bottom folding allowance, top side 1/2 inch stitching allowance will be allowed in this printout itself, so that you can take the printout. So using a instead we can cut and stitch the Chudidar. Now this is Chudidar, collar Chudidar bottom part, front back. This is the finished Chudidar piece. This is the finished Chudidar top piece. Now method to take the printout for princess cut top. Method to take the printout for princess cut top. After entering all the measurements, click on the princess cut. Now you will get the both armhole side and neck side parts. These are the measurements required. After entering all the measurements, click on the princess cut option. Now you will get the printout in this manner. This is neck side and armhole side parts. Neck side and armhole side parts. This is neck side part of princess cut. Neck side part of princess cut. This is armhole side of princess cut chudidar. Armhole side of princess cut chudidar. This is neck side and armhole side of chudidar parts, princess cut parts. This is the finished item of princess cut top. Finished top of princess cut. Now method to take anarkali top. Anarkali tops of 3 models were available. The first is anarkali umbrella top. To take this printout, enter all the required measurements from the customers. Enter all the measurements and click on the option anarkali umbrella. The page will be open. Click on the anarkali umbrella option. Now click on the open. The drawing printout will be taken in this manner. The width exceeds so that the center part have been made joint. This is for Masakali model top. For this model, Masakali model or anarkali panel, it will be called as Masakali or anarkali panel. I'll enter all these measurements and click the fourth option anarkali panel. The images will be displayed in this type. The images will be displayed in this type. Now this is the top and bottom part of Masakali. You will get this type of printout. The stitching allowances will be left in this part. Allowances will be left in this part. Now this is the anarkali panel type or Masakali models. This is the top part. This is the top part. This is the bottom part. This is the top part and this is the bottom part. This is the Rasakali chudidar. Rasakali chudidar are full panel parts. From the top of the piece till to the bottom, the panels will be available. Now click on the Rasakali. It's fifth option. The top is Rasakali. Fifth option. You'll get the printout in like this. You'll get the printout like this. After cut and stitch, you can get this type of finishing. Method to take printout for Punjabi pant. The printer is using dot matrix printer, so that up to the width of 14.5 inch we can take the printout. For above 14.5 inch we will get the second page printout. Now for the Punjabi pen, click on the option boxes. First is Punjabi bottom part and the second is belt part. Now you will get the printout like this. Now you will get the printout like this. The center parts, this is the second part. Because of paper width, we are taking the second part printout. We can make the joint and we can cut the pant part. This is the belt part. This is the belt part, belt patti or belt part. Now the Punjabi pant have been finished. This is the Punjabi pant model. This is Patiala pant. The pant models Punjabi, Patiala and gathering pant also we can take the printout. Gathering pant also we can take. This is the Patiala pant. Second part, this is Patiala pant belt part and the bottom canvas part. Pant bottom canvas part. This is for gathering pant. It's gathering or chudidar pant, tight pant. The second part also will be available for printout. Second part also will be available for printout. This is the complete printout. After cutting, we can cut the pant piece with this pattern. This is harem pant also we can make the cutting. The training videos have been provided. This is the harem pant model. Another stitched sample stitched harem pant. With this software we can take the neck design in the front side of the top pattern also. With this software we can cut all these models with our software. We are providing cutting softwares and training videos also, so that you can clear your doubts. Stitching methods in the videos also. For further clarifications you can call us on 8220 47154 and 8220 47152 for your clarifications.